Hello and welcome to this video. Today I wanted to take a look at OEC Trader here. I wanted to look at some specific options that have to do with charting here. So I do have a chart open here, and you can see I have trade mode disabled. I just disabled that here on my chart. So one thing that we can do within OEC Trader is actually place trades directly from our chart. We can also manage those trades, so we can add pending orders, limit stop orders. We can enter into the market on either side. We can also enter in attached orders and so forth as well. Again, directly from our chart. So we don't have to use an order ticket window or a DOM interface if we don't want to. It's all possible right from our chart. So the first thing that we need to do is enable that trade mode. So we have a mouse icon here that is at the top of our toolbar. So if I select that, you can see we do have another panel that will come up to the right. This is going to give us some options such as the account. So we can also choose an account if we had multiple accounts, the quantity. We can see the position that we are currently at in our session P&L. We also have buy, sell market options here if we wanted to use those buttons to enter or exit. We also have some order options for when we're in a position. So exit at market and cancel, reverse and cancel those pending orders, and so forth here. And we also have some other options, again, I mentioned order attaching and so forth. We're not going to get into order attaching into this video, but as we go along through our video series here within OEC Trader, stay tuned for those that will expand upon the order entry options here within OEC Trader. So let's go ahead and look here on our chart. As you notice, when I kind of mouse around here on my chart, I now have some tabs that are showing up here on the right hand side of my chart. So I have buy stop and sell limit since I'm above the market. If I were to go below the market price here, you'll now see I have buy limit and sell stop options. So if I wanted to place a buy order, for example, a buy limit at this 20.55, what I would do is mouse down to that price level here, approximately with my chart, and then simply enter in with a left mouse click. Now once I left mouse click, we now have a order bar here. You can see we have a green line, and on the left hand side we have some options here. We have quantity that we can modify. We can actually have these arrows to drag to change the price for our buy limit there. So if I wanted to move that down a bit, I could do that. And of course move that up the same way. So just using that click and drag there method with that arrows that do show. You can also cancel this order or even click the M button to bring up the order ticket to further modify the order if needed. So all those options are there. If we wanted to place a sell order, whether it's a stop order below the current market price or a limit order above, what we do is we actually go ahead and right mouse click. So same method, just a right mouse click instead of a left mouse click there, and we have those same options, and you'll show that that sell order will show up as red here. So that allows us to kind of differentiate between those, and of course we can modify that just the same way. You can also cancel that order, or you can cancel this order here using those methods. Now if we select the buy or sell market options here, for example the buy market, we'll activate some of these order management options here. So we have exit market and cancel. So exit at the market and then cancel any pending orders. You can see that that will work here. And we're now flat. Now if I wanted to reverse, we also have that option here. So we can reverse and then cancel any pending orders that are associated. So that will work just the same way if I were to go ahead and click that there. So you can see that changes our position direction. And again, I can use that exit at market to go ahead and exit there. And then again, cancel any of those pending orders. So we have methods there to see limit and stop orders, and place those directly from our charts, whether it's in the buy or the sell side. We also have the buy and sell market options there, as well as some order management options. We're going to go through more of these order options as well as some other features in subsequent OEC Trader videos here, so stay tuned for those. If you have any questions, please feel free to give us a call or shoot us an email at any time.